Hey guys, Kapper here and welcome back. Today's video is going to be just part of the last farm job we've been working on. Today's video is just going to be basically the filling of the lawn and rough grading it with the Bobcat T650. This lawn really needed to be brought up quite a bit. It had several very low spots, and the homeowner wanted us to, instead of just grading it, they wanted us to bring the lawn up several inches, anywhere from 6 to 12 inches, and then regrade it. So let's have some fun, get some fresh air. We're going to be doing just those two steps for right now, and stay tuned for more on these projects, and we've got a few more lined up already, so looking forward to having some more fun with the machine. So let's get into today's project.
This dirt is all wet, it's all clay. Good thing we got the skid steer and the excavator.
So what I'm doing here, since my chores were done on the pond dam that we just finished, I'm basically pulling some decent dirt here and piling it for fill, because this is all virgin dirt and clay here, so it's really compacted. It's just a lot easier when you have the excavator pile it and loosen it up for the skid steer operator to get full buckets, and it makes it a little easier to grade once it's kind of broken up by the excavator, as opposed to just skimming like a thick clump with the skid steer. Then it doesn't want to grade out nearly as good as when you do it this way.
Right, just a few more loads of dirt here. Phil's kind of just dumping it right now, let it dry just a little. I mean, it is sunny and breezy, and then we're going to start grading.